Hello, my name is Ben, and I am Notagreatgamer. Welcome back to this not-so-serene Republic of Venice, in which we're kind of kicking the ever-loving snot out of the Handfolier Grand Duchy. And then we'll be serene again. It's fine. It's fine. Currently, we're in this little quote-unquote battle. We're just destroying a science thing. And then, actually, I'm going to come and play over here. Let's take out the capital spaceport. Let's just do that. Of course, someone else is already doing that, but I want to play too. Come on, come on, come on. No, no, it's gone. You know, just blow some things up. Actually, better yet, is there a spaceport anywhere that I can blow up? I want to blow up a spaceport. Come on, come on. Is there anything good over here in Penosta? No, there's literally nothing worth anything over here in Penosta. That's right. Let's take out their... here we are. That guy. Their, wormhole generator.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Yeah. Much with the killing. Wow, look at all those torpedoes. Kinda wasn't expecting that. 60%. What do we need to negotiate? Offer white peace. No, 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 no. How do we do this? I actually... shoot, it's actually been a little bit since I have done this. Yeah, that won't do it. Minus 40%. War score is plus 60. The peace offer is negative 86. Okay. Relative navy strength is a little bit in our favor, but it's been a quick war, and for whatever reason that counts against us. I don't get that, but okay. Well, let's get some more war score, or at least let's get some more experience and blow some more things up. How's that sound? Hey, Schiaparelli, far away are you? You're over there. You know what? Come on over to here. Give me some debris, all right? You won't do it from that map. Research project. There we go. Yeah, there's only the one. Okay. Hey, Schiaparelli. Do you have a good enough... Yeah, you do. I was gonna say, do you have a good enough scientist? And you do. It's fine. Okay. Okay, so I think we just blow things up now and wait for the
hostile
war
fleet
score to take up.
engaged.
Although, actually, we would need to occupy some things, maybe. I have no... Oh, no. I actually have no armies at this point. Oh, it's a transport fleet. Excellent. Okay. Oh, man. The Aztecs declared war. The Aztecs declared war? No. No.
Hostile
Not
fleet
Aztecs.
engaged.
But they declared war on the same guys that I'm blowing up at this point. I don't think this is getting us any war score. Just don't think it is.
Updated.
It's coming down to Tinnick and see what happens. Oh, never mind. You got some folks there. Come here. Just see what happens. Anything good here? No? No, that's a useless system right there, that is. Oh, hey, was that a spaceport? Yes, it is. Oh, yeah. Let's blow this up first. Oh, never mind. Let's blow that up now. Blow up the spaceport.
Hostile fleet engaged.
It's not even finished building. Oh, poor guys. Poor
Research
guys.
complete.
Oh, research complete. Oh, better shields. So good. Assist research. We're getting there, aren't we? We're getting to that point, I think. I think we go Physics Lab 2 first. We still have use for our science ships, but that'll only last for so long. Huh. You know what we could do? We could immediately just declare war on the Aztecs. Because I just noticed something. We have 2.4 plus 1.5 plus 0.5k. in this system. They have 3.8k. We could actually... Oh, wow, they have cruisers. Do we have any cruisers? Yeah. Yeah, there's some cruisers here. Okay. Okay. 72% war score. Negotiate. You gonna do it? You gonna do it? No, minus 26. Alright. Length of war is ticking down. That's fine. The thing is, these guys can't get any war score. Unless... Unless, and this is a big unless, unless they can occupy something. The Aztecs, I mean. It's not good. Not good. Let's just start going after their capital planet. Ooh, research complete. Engineering facility 2. Good, 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 good. And cruisers. I think we go after cruisers. I think we do it. What is this? Engineering facility 3 and 4. That's interesting. Why would you do engineering facility 3 if you could just do engineering facility 4? I don't know. But we got 52 months remaining on cruisers. Wow. Okay. Well, let's do it. Let's beat the snot out of this planet. Oh wow. Look at this fleet size. Look at all these guys. That's a big old pile of ships. Yes, everything's in piles for me. I don't know if you noticed this, but pretty much everything is in piles for me. Okay, do we negotiate now? Minus 10. Will not accept. Oh, you'll accept before too long. Oh, and now the Aztecs are trying to get in on the action. Look, you. This is my war. This is my stuff. So help me if they win the war, and I doubt they will, bad things will happen. We will pretty much immediately turn around. Yeah, still negative 10, negative 9, negative 7. Scientist Giovanni Priuli has upgraded, or leveled up. Schiaparelli, are you doing what you're supposed to? I think so. Yeah, you are. Negative 6. Okay. I think now we come here. Oh wow, we lost a lot because we quit the blockade is what we did. That's no good. Yeah, let's continue the blockade. There we go, 88%.
Debris analyzed.
6%. What do we got? What do we got in debris? Antimatter power. Yeah, boy. Oh yeah, that's so good. Schiaparelli, let's get some more stuff. Come here. Come on over here. I don't think we'll get much, but... Schiaparelli, go here. There we go. %, 100%. Oh, it was 100%. I think I saw it go to 100%. Negative 6. Come on. Come on. Negative 5. Now it's just counting down on the length of war. A new presidential campaign will begin soon.
System survey complete.
We do. I think. Split the fleet. Now we're losing money. Finally, we're losing money. Let's get us a new... Never mind. I was gonna say let's get us a new general, but or admiral, but we really don't have any good admirals. So let's take First Fleet. Move you on over to Minok. See if we can't siege them down. or not siege, but blockade. What do we got? There we go.
Research complete.
Research complete, Biolab 2. Excellent. That's actually really good. Sector limit +1. We don't really need that yet. Galactic Stock Exchange. Interesting. 2 maintenance, but it gives +10% energy credits. Yeah, sure. Let's do it. Might as well, right? That looks awesome. 59 months. Man, we need more tech. Ooh, we need better tech. Okay, and then Galilei. Where are you? Oh, you're down there. Wow. Yeah, that's right. Go to there. Survey system, and then survey system, and then survey system. And then bug me after that. Oh, and then survey system. Yes, I know that's not the most efficient way to do this, but I really just don't want to be bugged for a little while. Yeah, there's not much warfare. There we go, 100%. Let's do it. There's not much warfaring for the Aztecs to do. Force demands. Do it. Okay. For the good of all Hunfiller Grand Duchy, we must yield. Show the same magnanimous mercy you'd expect from us. I'm not sure that means anything, but okay. So let's take a look at our... Yeah. The Henflir Union. They like us by a lot. Liberator. Nice. Demand vassalization. They'll totally do it. Yes! Vassals! Vassals! Let me see if I understand this correctly. You want the Henflir nation to become your client state in exchange for protection? Yes. Yes, that's totally what's going to happen here. Confirm. Okay. Now we're over our stuff. Very well. If you agree to defend us from all the horrors of the galaxy, the Henflir nation shall become your vassals. Excellent. We're fanatic, individualists, and materialists. I forgot that they would be... Yeah, that's right. They have the same ethics. They have the same ethics as the Iroquois. That's okay. But they'll still like us. Pathetic, friendly... Let's establish an embassy with them at some point soon. Let's get our fleets back to Zara. In fact, actually... Fleets head to there. Actually, let's just have them repair. Just tell them both to repair. And then what we're gonna do... I think at this point... So here's what's going on. Oh, right. There's this. Okay. The peoples of these worlds, they are not happy. Actually, they're not that unhappy. They're really not. They're actually not that bad. They're 40% happiness, which isn't, like, horrible. Where are you migrating to? Migrating to Corfu. Interesting. Okay. Huh. Okay. Hang on. Corfu. Corfu? That's an interesting thing to do. Why are you migrating to Corfu? They're Arctic, but he's migrating to ocean, which isn't that big a deal. But, okay. So what we're gonna do then is this. Now don't forget the system is useless? Hang on, I don't even know. The science vessel that's doing this stuff here in Menak. At least I think there was something going on here. Yeah. This science vessel here, you're going to survey the system, because evidently that hasn't been done yet. Okay, now let me take a look at all the planets here. Because... you're unemployed. Why are you unemployed? There's actually a thing there. I think there's something going on. Let's... Oh, wow. They have a lot of edicts going on. Wow. Let's throw on... We have a lot... Oh, wow, okay. We're almost at our influence cap anyway, so let's go to the capital of these folks. Let's throw on re-education and propaganda. So now, they're like, not that bad, they're 50%. Their ethics divergence is way down. Oh, nice. So nice. Yeah, okay, they're gonna be just like us before too long. Just like us. Not really. But negative 17% ethics divergence isn't bad. But for right now, it's not really worth it to, keep these guys. They don't have... Oh, mining network 2. Ooh. That's not bad. There's another person who's migrating to Corfu. The reason I'm going through all this is because what I'm thinking about doing is just adding all this to Zara. Too many planets. Yeah. Empire. Planets. Zara. Manage sector. Give you that. Give you that. Alright. And then I'll give you this just in case. In case there's anything worthwhile there. We'll let you have that. Sound good? Sound good, Zara? That sounds good to me. Because the next thing we're going to do is this. Go to Zithri, I think? Are you ready? Are you ready for action? Not really. Well, let's upgrade you. Now let's clear out some of these bad boys. Clear. Actually, let's do more. We have the money and the minerals. Wow, look at all those minerals. Holy crap. Okay. There we go. And then... Naxos. Yeah, you need some help too, actually. In fact, what we should do is edicts list, infrastructure projects. Building and construction time, which I believe includes... No, it does not. It does not include clearing stuff. Clearing tiles. Yeah, let's just get rid of all this. For one thing, it's nice because it's blowing through our cash. And we have a lot of cash, so we might as well do that. Okay, the other thing we're going to do is this. Venezia. Look. Oh, also, let's see what we can upgrade. Ooh, we can upgrade a lot. Oh, yeah. Empire Capital Complex. I think we do that. Yeah. It actually produces... I didn't realize this. That actually produces influence. Interesting. Frontier outposts, -4. -4? Wait. How many frontier outposts do we have? I can think of 2. Do they cost 2? I thought they cost 1. Hang on. I thought my frontier outposts cost 1. So what I'm thinking about doing is starting up a... oh, I can't do it yet. Colony ship, and that's what I'm going to do. Also, what does our president do? I think we have a new president. No, we have an election coming very soon. So that just makes people happy, and food. Okay. Once we get the colony ship going, we're going to go to Gillis. We're going to cover Gillis on our own.
Updated.
Liberto Contarini has been elected. Diplomatic insult from Castile. Nice. Oh, I should have read it. Oh, that's too bad. The Big Blue Blob. No, Aztecs have declared Big Blue Blob their their rival. So he has resilient and home in the sky. Spaceport build cost. That's actually really good. We're probably going to build a couple of those very soon. What is your mandate? Minor mandate. Yes, we will probably do that because we just conquered a bunch of stuff that, Oh, we actually have to survey that crap. Okay. Okay. Where's the nearest science ship that isn't right there? Oh, yeah, they're too far away. So this science ship is going to be kind of busy. Yeah, who is this? The Schiaparelli? Alright. Why don't you survey all this stuff? Survey system. Survey system. Okay. Do it all. Just do all of it. Alright. Oh, and then finish Gillis, because we never finished surveying Gillis. Interesting. Okay. Okay. So we're at, wow, plus 90 minerals. Whew, boy. Okay. Our fleets are moving to Venice to, or actually to, let's just rename this system Zara. What do you think? Ugarasti doesn't make any sense at all. Yeah, just name it Zara. Alright. That's what the world is already named, right? Okay, cool.
Debris analyzed.
Excellent. What do we get? Antimatter power, and that's it. Okay, that's fine. Okay, well that's good. Roberto Contarini will be just fine. We liberated and won some things. Ooh, hey. The Insidious Snaron. We can go get that. Yeah. It'll take a little bit before we do that, but we can do it. Oh wow, okay. I forget, when you're getting 97 minerals per month, and you're going on the fastest setting, you gain some... Yeah, you get ready for a colony ship pretty quick at that rate. What? Yes, okay, cool. Fleets. No Bugatti, I don't need you. Merge up. There we go. Hey, and we're making money again. Nice. So, what are we up to? Oh yeah, other than waiting for a, waiting for a colony ship. Ocean World. Oh yeah, we can do it. We can do this. We can do this! What do we got? Salish peoples join the Righteous Axis. Okay. Oh hey, speaking of stuff like that. Hey, British Republic. You're still not at peace. Oh my goodness. His opinion of me went down because of threat. Now, do my allies, okay, they don't get threat from me. Which makes sense, right? Like, we were in this war together, why the heck would you be threatened by us? You know? You agreed to the war. Now, Habsburgs, what do you got? Ooh, cordial. So close. No, you know what did it, though? It's that threat. Minus 17. Yep. That's too bad. It'll go up. Oh, that's it, too. That's all we're gonna get. Let's offer trade deal. Research agreements. He'll do it. Give you some energy credits. Do you care about energy credits at all? No, you don't. Monthly transfer. Oh wow, no, I wouldn't do that. Oops, don't do that. Monthly transfer of energy credits. What do you say to... Oh wait, hang on. Yeah. 1 energy credit will do the job. Okay, cool. That'll get us a little bit of opinion. Very good. We may come to regret this. No, you won't. We're fine. It's fine. Yeah, they like us a little bit better. Okay. Hopefully the threat goes down. It already went down by 1. Interesting. Okay. Offer trade deal. What else we got? Border access? Hey, let's get some civilian access. Border access. Civilian access. Let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah? Yeah? No? No, you're not at all interested. Nope. Nope, not even a bit. Okay. Well, you are a bit, but you would want money. Yeah. Monthly transfer. We can make use of this, I think. Confirm. Alright, see, it's not so bad. See, yeah, your opinion's going up. Your opinion's going way up. Research treaty, trade, grant civilian access. Oh, yeah. We're gonna be super buds. Minus 18. Ugh. Just gotta flip this cordial attitude to friendly. Which I think is gonna take a little bit less threat. So basically it's just time. I think we can do this. What's this system? What is this system? What'd you do? Oh, you settled this world. It's not a bad world. Not a bad world. Good job. Okay. Really want to know what's going on in this region. What do we got? Big Blue Blob has declared Castile their rival. Yeah, because that's not historical. Somebody's going to have to go after Castile. It's just going to have to happen. Roshan. Where's that? Okay, never mind. It doesn't really matter because all of our science ships are still occupied. Inigor. This is our system. There is nothing here. Okay. I kind of suspected that, actually. What do we got? Whoa. The Hansa have declared war on an unidentified empire. Interesting. Interesting. Very interesting. Oh, and at some point, you know what? We gotta take our fleet out for a spin. If nothing else, we have hostile stuff in our empire. Like, what's up with that? That's not okay. Oh, the Iroquois are no longer rivals with the Aztecs. Interesting. The Hunflair Nation, they want to be friends with us. Very good. Interesting. Teutonic Order has declared Korean Directorate. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Oh yeah. That could happen. That could be a thing. How's our, Oh, that's a construction ship. Oh, hey, hang on. Construction ship. Give me this. Mining station. And mining station. Yes. Hang on. There we go. Okay, let's get a little battle, and let's call it. Let's attack these guys. And these guys, and these guys. They're all gonna jump in, but that's okay. Let's watch this happen.
Anomaly found.
7%, let's do it. Hang on, where is that? Okay, whatever.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Blow him up. Blow him up. Kill him.
Construction complete.
Ooh. Oh, hey, colony ship. Let's get over here. Go to Chilis. Colonize planet. Ah, where to? Where to, everybody? I think it has to be... I think it has to be here. Oh, yeah, let's get back to the action. Let's do it. Blow them up. Kill them all. No, really, could you kill them all? That'd be cool. We're losing. Why are we losing? No, really, why are we losing? We're not losing, but
System survey complete.
I'd rather not lose a bunch of these dudes. The particular asteroid is an extrasolar capture and appears to have been washed by some kind of exotic radiation as it plummeted through the interstellar space before finally setting in the Daggerfon system. The original source of this radiation remains unknown, but the Schiaparelli has been able to pick up a wealth of physics data 150 physics data. Okay. Whoa, hang on. Did we lose a leader? We had a leader. Did he die? I remember having a leader. It was a thing. Are you shooting at, like, everybody? And not focusing anybody down? Come on, focus some stuff down. Come on.
Updated.
There we go. God, holy crap. You kind of suck at this game. Come and heal, and then we're gonna have to build some new ships. Yeah, we'll do that next time. So we've finally cleared this system out. Finally. And our science ship, Schiaparelli, yeah, is going to come on over here, get us some lovely debris info, and then survey the system. And then, yeah, we'll do that next time. But at this point, whoa, yeah, we're gonna next time we'll build up to our fleet capacity, just so that we have a fleet. Because knowing the folks in our lovely little unholy alliance, we're gonna be going to war soon. It's just kind of gonna happen. So yeah. Plenty of battles. We gained some territory. We're going to settle a new system or a new planet with some friends. We'll have some friends. Who are they? The Karabnar. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. But it's gonna be great in another episode. Until then, I enjoyed myself. I hope you enjoyed yourself as well. And I do, in fact, look forward to seeing you next time.